Okay, hello everyone. Someone asked me for a tutorial on how to do the speed mod that I uploaded to Game Banana. So here's an example of what it looks like. Which the values and like how the feel of the game really is pretty easily customizable. And you'll see. So all you have to do, let's just open it up in Switch Toolbox real quick. So we're gonna open up my modified files right next to my original game files, just so I can show you the difference exactly. Crap, I accidentally opened up the wrong way. But the place where you find your files is going to be in your ROMFS, and then pack, then actor, and then all of these files for all the different characters. Let's say you just want to edit Luigi, and you just go player Luigi.pack. But you're going to have to go every single individual one. I'll show you a faster way to do it later. So for speed, what we're going to want to edit is just, where is it? Should be just player speed param. Takes me a second to find, right here. And then we go inside here. And then we're going to get up this menu here with all of the different values. So now let me open up in a different window the original values so that we can see side by side which ones you can change, which ones I changed. There's a lot you can change, and I'm not exactly sure all the differences between all of them, so that's why I'm just going to show you how they're meant to look and what I did, and then you can figure out what you want to change, what you don't, because the files are laid out kind of confusingly. But I selected the wrong option again. I'm a little dumb. ROMFS, pack, actor. I'm going to scroll down until we see player. This is how your files are going to look when you first unpack them. Which to unpack them, you literally just right click on the game in Ryujinx, and you can say extract. And then you can extract the ROMFS. And that's what I'm looking at here. I'll show you how to load it into the game later. But it's pretty simple. You basically just paste that ROMFS after you edit it into the mod directory, which you can get by right-clicking on Ryujinx. On the game in Ryujinx. So yeah, we got player Luigi here. And then we go to player speed parameter. Right here, I keep double-clicking on ISO. You don't need to do that. Alright, so if we look, let's just do this. So set speed base parameter, no, what we edited. So yeah, let's look at this for example. If you go to set speed base parameter and then normal power table is what I think it stands for. I literally just went in and I was like, what's a high number? And I chose 1200 and 120. So for acceleration, the way I made this feel what is alright to me is everything that was acceleration, if it was the initial acceleration, I kept it how it was by default, or just put it to 1, because it's all usually around 1 by default. And then if it was max acceleration, I put that as high as I could, like the highest number I wanted to put, which for me was just 1200. And then anything that was like, anything other than that, basically, the initial acceleration or max acceleration, if it like said it was like speed, or if it said it was like, I don't know, whatever you can think of, I just put that to 120. So yeah, basically just pick 3 values and do that. And you can see, like, basically my idea here was that, I mean, just like, these are like the most basic files, so the most basic values you'll see in all these files. So you can compare on the right here with how they normally are. And that's the main thing. You go through, so like set speed rate table, you kind of have to figure out which ones are actually things you need to change. Because set speed rate table, I mean, to me that sounds like something I need to change. But as you can see, I didn't even change it. I think I was just lazy when making this mod, really. But basically, you can just, it's all just trial and error. You go in here, edit it. Now I'll show you how to export it and what you can do to easily apply this to other players. So every player, every pack, every Luigi.pack or whatever, or Yoshi.pack, for example, that's a bad example, but it has this under player speed parameter. So what you just do is you want to export raw data and it'll give you this file. Let's just put that in downloads for now. And then the way that we're going to go and edit the other files, for example, this is still a really bad example, but because I did not prepare for this, as I'm sure you can see. Yeah, so let's go here, ROMFS, pack, actor, and we're going to scroll down to player. Wherever it's at, right here, player. And let's just look at player daisy.pack. And all you have to do to edit Daisy as well is you go to her player speed parameter after you've edited Luigi's, and you've pressed this save button right here on the top right. After you edit Luigi, you want to press save, then you extract the raw data, which mine was already saved. Should be fine. I don't even know if that's actually, yeah, that's what you need to do, yeah. And then all you do, replace raw data, then go to wherever you saved Luigi's. And because it's the same exact name, just OK, save, and then you're fine. Yeah, just to be safe, you can press save there. And then what you want to do after that to put it into the game is you save. And then we're going to save this to, for now I'm going to save it to downloads because I want to show you where, and you press yes to compress. I'm going to show you where you get the mod folder in case you don't know, and also I can show you how to extract it right now. So to extract the ROMFS, you go to extract data, then ROMFS, and then you select a folder. For the mod directory, you right click, open mods directory, and then ROMFS is right here. And you're going to have to recreate this file structure without any of the files in it. So all we do, let me actually cut Daisy's file that I saved, and then paste it. And then when we launch up the game, it'll be the same thing. I don't really need to show you it, but I will. And then for the jump, for adding the jump height, it's practically the same thing. It's just instead of player speed parameter, you go to player jump parameter. I'll show you where. Even though I don't think I've added it. I don't have a jump parameter saved anywhere right now, so I can't show you an edited one. But yeah, player jump parameter, go to the file, you go here, jump info table. This is a lot less options. All of the files have like a Luigi one too, I remember that. So you basically just need to go through these, figure out what do these values sound like, something you need to edit. Someone who's more smarter than me probably knows exactly what files you need to edit, but it can't hurt to just like add a bunch of these. So to me, instead of any of these Luigi's, I think you would want to do normal, and go to add speed data, can edit all these, and edit all these. Obviously the program I'm using here this whole time is says Toolbox here. It's called Switch Toolbox. You can find it on GitHub. I'll link in the description too, because why not. So yeah, initial jump rate. And you can see here, this is the main important table, because like, you'll see that it tells you all the different types of jumps in this. You select on a dictionary, high stomp, very high stomp, wall kick, wonder direction jump, I don't even know what that means, dash wall jump. So yeah, just all the different types of jumps that they have different values for, which is interesting if you think of it. It's a cool thing about modding, you get to figure out the game design philosophy behind these games that you would never think you would be looking at the files for. So I'm just showing you right now that I can play as... I already showed you that the speed was edited on Luigi. This is not showing you anything. I should have selected Daisy because there's this weird bug actually where like if you don't... The character you first select is the one that's behavior is loaded for the rest of the game, so I have to actually restart the game to show you that Daisy works. I could have just lied to you and just switched to Daisy right there and been like, see? It works exactly like Luigi does because we copied his photo, but no. That would be a lie because it's actually just because I didn't restart the game. I wonder how that works with multiplayer though. That's what's really interesting to me is that like, if I played local multiplayer, It's just loading up. I guess, yeah, never mind. It's probably just loading up separate behaviors for each slot. But, that plays Luigi. Motherfucker, okay, you get the point. I clicked Luigi again. There's no point showing you Daisy. And I showed you how jump works too. I don't even think I need to edit this video. That went pretty well. But